Make a quick video and see if I can't show you what I'm talking about recording 2 tracks of your vocals. With this machine, I have 2 identical tracks of vocals. I get the best recording of the vocals I can and then copy it, and I have track 4 and 5 with an identical copy of the tracks. But if it's easier for you just to record one copy on here and one copy on here, you can do that since you're just starting out. But normally, like, I'll run 20 recordings or 10 recordings and pull out the best phrases of each one and turn that into a new track, which I'll put on like track 3. So track 3 will have all of the best words from all of the different recordings I've made. Then I copy track 3 onto track 4 and track 5. I apply Autotune to both of these, but on one of them I set the speed at 0 so it sounds like a robot. One of them the speed at 5, and you'll probably be able to hear this. I'm just going to run through this track with the no Autotune. It sounds very natural.
Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man.
So you hear that there's nothing robotic about it. It sounds very natural. You wouldn't think Auto-Tune is on it. It's just in tune. That's how generally you want 90% of, or 90% or 100% of what you're singing. So it just sounds good and natural. But I have another copy, which this one would be Auto-Tune with a speed of 10, or on your board maybe something closer to 15, but somewhere in 10 to 15. Now this one would be with the speed set at 0, and listen to how it sounds.
Oh, don't you worry, you'll find yourself, follow your heart, and be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man.
You can hear most of it is kind of undesirable. It just sounds you know, really childish almost. But what you do is you go through and listen to it and plug out a couple of words that sound good. And again, so like this is natural, and I'll switch it so you can see what I'm talking about.
Be something you love.
That's robotic.
Baby, be a simple kind of man. Won't you do it?
So like track 5, I'm going to use 99% of the time. And then with this board, as well as your computer, you can come and automate it. So this is going to automate basically how I have decided that it should sound at the very end.
Be a simple kind of man.
See, that's smooth.
Be something you love and
robotic.
Understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. Won't you do this for me, son? If you can.
And like, here's another part of the song.
Oh, don't you worry, you'll find yourself.
Natural.
Follow your heart and nothing else.
Now to robotic.
You can do this, oh babe, if you try. All that I want for you, my son, is to be satisfied and be a simple.
So you can see the majority of it is very natural sounding. And you just pick your spots where it sounds the very best when you do auto-tune, so that you only have a few words, so it's not constantly annoying and childish. It's just sounds a whole lot better and a whole lot more experienced and refined. And the less you can use it, the more it will stand out and just sound really, really good when you use it.